Do you know how to ask for help in a strong, respectful way? Today, we learn the word appeal. This word is powerful when you want to make a serious request or attract interest. Appeal means to make a serious or urgent request for help, support, or sympathy. It can also mean to attract interest or attention. Many students confuse appeal with appeal to stop or think it means to cause a problem. But it actually means to ask for something or attract people. Common phrases: appeal to someone, make an appeal, appeal for help, appeal against a decision. These show how the word works in different situations. The charity made an appeal for donations. He appealed to the judge for mercy. The new product appeals to young people. She decided to appeal against the fine. A little boy lost his puppy. He made an appeal to the neighborhood. Many people helped because his request touched their hearts. Think of appeal like a big sign saying "Please help." It sounds like appeal, which makes you want to keep listening. Now you know appeal means to ask or attract. Try using it in your next conversation. Comment your own sentence with appeal.